Everybody, we're back and we were just gonna make paper airplanes.
Who?
Us.
Are you recording on me?
Yes. I'm always in my videos. Except the one with the lava lamp.
We just slept 5 hours.
Yeah, because we stayed up all night, like at 2. There we go.
We were getting attacked by a she-devil.
Pretty much. Yeah, that's fun though. Joseph got tickled.
Also Darren, but he left harder.
I was laughing all night.
You were like,
You just stay up on. You can actually sleep over on like next time.
hey, next thing you know, I sleep over tonight.
You want to?
No.
Huh?
No.
Why not?
My cousins might come over to my house and it's fun over there, so I don't want to die.
By the street devil?
Yeah.
What
I'm too young.
Beautiful.
Oh.
So I'm making the e-gold.
Yo, Darren,
What?
look here. Woo!
Oh shoot.
Now what other airplane should I make?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, my friends taught me this.
It's just fine how it flies. Sucks. Maybe we should fold the wings back up.
Like this.
Shoot. Later in the day, we might go to the park. Oh, never mind. Good.
What?
In the kitchen. Oh, your eagle's here. Oh. In the sink. In the sink. In the sink.
Look at this. It doesn't work. Look at.
Dude, mine's way better. And that would be the end for this video.